Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate cake. First, combine your dry ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 2 cups of granulated sugar. Sift these together in a large bowl to prevent any lumps. Don't forget to add 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder for that perfect fluffy texture. Next, let's prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Once thoroughly combined, slowly add the wet mixture to your dry ingredients. Mix on low speed until everything is just incorporated, being careful not to overmix, which can make the cake tough. Now it's time to bake. Divide your batter evenly between 2 greased and floured 8-inch round cake pans. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cakes cool in the pans for 10 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Finally, the best part, frosting. Once your cakes are completely cool, prepare a delicious chocolate buttercream frosting. Spread a generous layer of frosting between the 2 cake layers, then cover the top and sides of the entire cake. For more great tips and resources, check the description below for links to other deals and a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Enjoy your amazing hot chocolate cake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.